This is away from our main theme of the FDP. So this is something different and something which I really genuinely believe in. So I thought maybe I'll introduce this thing to you people also. And since we have a wide number of women participants over here, so this becomes the ideal platform for us to basically understand what is this. We all know what ACM is. Dr. Gupta has just introduced it in the first session itself. So this is the women wing of ACM. And this is totally talking about women in technical computing. Most of you would question, why do we need a separate wing? First of all, how to become a member of ACMW. If you are a member of ACM, the main organization, you simply have to check a box that you are ready to become a member of ACMW. So no extra cost, no extra registration, nothing. We'll gradually see what exactly do we intend using this platform and why is it important. I was not a part of ACM. Recently only I've joined ACM. I'm now in the executive committee of ACM Delhi NCR chapter. And I felt this is a very strong platform for us, and most of us are not aware of this platform. So this particular platform I'm choosing only because of this, to raise the awareness of this particular thing. So as you can see, it is actually for all ACM members who care about women in computing. So we are not excluding the male people, please. It's not a gender thing or it is not any such thing. It's just that I happened to visit an event which was about women in technical computing, and it was by a sister concern. That was a celebration of GHCI in Delhi. And that was the area, that was the place where I actually saw what are the problems which women in technical computing are facing. See, as women, we all are balancing our lives. Somewhere we all understand we are balancing our family, we are balancing our jobs. And what happens at a particular time, especially in the private sector, what people do is they drop out of it. And then after some time period, when they want to join back, they don't have that kind of a motivation. So that kind of motivation is what ACMW is supporting. It's supporting a cause that we all can come back into technical computing. If we are there, then how can we be supported about it? So it's all about that. So I'll just simply make it a kind of a informal thing. The aim, as I said, it is to advance the contributions of technical women. Women, whether they are in undergraduate studies, women whether they are in postgraduate, PhD, whether they are doing some research, whether they are initiating into it, whether they have achieved something high, all kind, and whether they have left research for some point of time and they want to come back also. See, what happens is when you leave it and then you feel that kind of an isolation. Am I ready to move into it? Can I actually turn back into it? And if I can, who's going to support me? Who is going to mentor me? So all these things are where we can look forward towards this particular platform. ACMW, which I fully agreed believes in celebration. I believe in celebrating life. So this is one point where I actually identified with, and this believes in celebrations. We'll gradually come to this chapter, what exactly celebration mean over here. But it believes in celebrating the spirit of womanhood, and I'm not talking as a women activist over here. I'm not one of those kinds. So the spirit of womanhood, basically what challenges are we facing as women in technical field. So we get a good platform over here to associate with it, and I'll be coming over to that. ACMW provides us support, financial support. It's one of the only organizations which is providing us support for even attending a conference, even if we are not presenting a paper over there. So that kind of a support it provides us, and a mass spread advocation. See, once you associate with ACM, once you associate with ACMW, you really feel, you identify yourself with the problems which others are facing, and then you can do something about it. So advocation of that basically full engagement of women in computing. So for that we obviously need grants for that. So we have supporters over here. We have Google who supports ACMW for the famous Ethna Lecturer Award. I'll come to this award in my next slides. We have Oracle, which supports us for the through the Oracle Academy for providing us some kind of an educational benefits, and we have Microsoft Research, which provides us all the funding for celebrations and community college. So we have ACMW chapters across colleges, across universities, but not so much in Delhi University, I think, isn't it? Yeah, so we do intend moving ahead with that also. Focal areas. We want to celebrate, as I said, and celebrate what? The accomplishments of women in computing. Those who get awards over here are actually women who have done something, so we can all look forward towards them, look towards them as role models. So we know that this is the area where women can get recognized over here, and we celebrate the work of prominent women by nominating them for awards. And believe me, I checked over the list of the women who have received these awards, and somewhere I could identify that if these women can do, then somewhere one amongst us can also do it. So the kind of work, if we are really interested in initiating some good work, so we know that there is someone who is going to back us, who can help us going for this particular kind of an achievement. Other focal areas is ACMW is informing about young women about the ongoing research. So we have the ACMW Student Scholarship, which allows students to to have some kind of a financial support so they can pursue their research, because we all know that we do need funds in order to carry out our projects. And one of the very important thing that it does is it provides the educational and career opportunity. So we have career fairs over here, which basically tell about what can you possibly do given these are your achievements, this is your status over here. So what are the possible options available for you? So these are the platforms which ACMW talks of. Coming to celebrations, we have local events, and this is what we'll focus on later on also. We have these local events which celebrate on these topics. So we try and invite role models who can boost our young researchers, who can tell them which field to pursue, where exactly, and who can basically lay out their life to understand how did they also when we go and stand or we go and attend such a kind of an event, we feel that somewhere we are also going through the same phases which those people went through. So if they can, then perhaps we can also. So if amongst a gathering of 200 or 300 people, at least 10 come forward and do something, then the aim is actually achieved. So we encourage mentoring. Those of us who have got the capabilities can help in spreading out that kind of information. A very important thing, networking. This event which was held in Delhi last year, this was the GHCI event which was held for, again it is an associated wing again. So this particular event was about networking, where we had people coming from industry as well as academia, and the basic idea was only this thing, that we have a one-day event where all of us gather and we try and understand through various forums like panel discussions, panel sessions, through talks and various other methods. We understand where exactly women are facing problem in industry and what is the problem which women in academia are facing, and when we met over there, that kind of a networking helped us, bridge the gap between the two. So this kind is what helps us, and this networking takes us a long way. Computing career fairs. So basically guiding all the kind of students, as I said, panel sessions, destroying the myths about computing. We have lots of notions about computing. This is what we are supposed to dedicate this much amount, we are supposed to do this, we are supposed to do that. No. You attend one of the session, you will realize computing is so much fun. It's not always being geeky and always being doing this thing and not leaving your terminal. It is so much fun once you just identify yourself with it. So basically it is identification of your own self. Once you move into such kind of networking, you will really understand what are you wanting to do and how can you achieve it. And during all this process, ACMW is there with you. Encourage women to stay in computing. As I said, women do take sabbatical, and we have many ACMW members who are not currently working anywhere, they are on sabbaticals, yet very involved in all the ACMW activities. And we obviously have the research presentation opportunity for the undergraduate and graduate students. I just got this slide because INVIC is one of the first celebrations of women in computing, somewhere down, I think in 2004 or 5, I don't remember the exact date. This was done in Indiana. So the first women chapter of this place over there, and this was the feedback. See, that is why feedbacks are very important, because we actually come to know that where exactly are we standing. And 97% of the women considered their time well spent during that particular celebration. 98%, which is a very significant figure, saying they would like to attend again such kind of an events in the future, and 93% said they would recommend it to a friend. This boosted the entire activities, and believe me, I did a lot of research to find out exactly why one should go in for such a kind of an activity. And if you actually go through the ACMW page, you will get all these links, you'll get all these facts and figures. So once you see those facts and figures, you will understand how much of an effect, how much of this has modified the lives of people, of ladies across the globe. And we as part of this particular place, we are not even informed of such kind of activities, and we lag behind even if we are pursuing a lot of research. ACMW Scholarship Award, as I said, this is award only for attending. You need not present a paper. There are very few scholarships where you get, every time if you want to get funding, you will have to have maybe a presentation of the paper. This is open for only attendance. The only requisite for you is, you have to send in your resume, you have to send in why are you interested in attending such an event, and then you need a recommendation from your advisor. So if your advisor, the person who is mentoring you, sends a good recommendation, genuinely believes in your work, they get a genuine feedback that yes, this is some person who can actually utilize this. And that reminds me that we have this Grace Hopper Celebration of India. I can mention that over here. Grace Hopper Celebration of India, which is again ACMW event only over there, and they are open for call for scholarships for students. So anybody who wants, they can just visit that particular site. The site is open right now. You can apply for scholarship if you want to go over there. There are various tracks over there. So any track which suits you, and I had a personal experience with it. You are well taken care of, and the kind of experience that you get over there is just, it's just beyond. It's too good. So there you identify that these are the people, this is how interdisciplinary, and the way they organize, it's all totally women oriented, and the way they organize those conferences, a good interdisciplinary makes, everybody is given equal weightage, even a research scholar or a supervisor. Range varies from people who have just joined research or industry to people like me and maybe more senior. So there is a whole lot of diverse range. The amount provided for scholarship is good enough. You can see 600 and 1200 for inter and intra and intercontinental. Coming to awards, the most famous award of ACMW. This is the Ethna Lecturer Award. Ethna is the Greek goddess of wisdom, and the award is based on that, aptly named so, because this basically award celebrates the outstanding women researchers who have made fundamental contributions to computer science. So basically three main things of Greek goddess Ethna: strength, determination and intelligence. These are the three things where they focus on, and they choose, every year they choose a good researcher, a lady researcher in computing. 1.5 hour or I think a 1 hour lecture of that person who is chosen for the award is available on the online, and anybody can go and check that, and you can go through the list of people who have received that award. It's going to be very encouraging. The other award which is there is the CRAW Borg Early Career Award, which is to encourage more people to come over. So increase the success and participation. These are just two of the awards which I have mentioned. If you visit the site, there are more such awards which are there. These are just two prominent awards which I thought are worth mentioning. So as I said, I'll just go in for a brief thing, and I just wanted to inform you about this. What we are doing is, we are planning ACMW India event in Delhi next year. We are trying to bring in the same kind of celebration magic which people are doing it across the globe. This is the first time?
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes, So this
Yeah.
annual event of ACMW India is in Dehradun in October.
Okay.
So the one we are doing is not an annual event.
Okay, so
It's a
as
regional celebration.
regional celebration. Okay, so that is what, as I said, because I am also joining in, so I thought, yeah. So this will be the daily chapter kind of a thing.
Annual India. So this is ACMW India.
Annual India event, but the first is in Dehradun.
Yeah, the annual event is in Dehradun.
So we'll have link towards that event also on the site.
I don't know whether we have the event, but
Okay,
it's maybe
This is not the annual thing, what is it?
regional.
This is regional. In October in Dehradun, we have the annual event that is being organized. I don't know whether any information has been put up about this or not, but I don't think any.
So regional is Delhi NCR.
Regional is Delhi NCR in February. That we are going to.
Regional. So you were right, right? कि Delhi.
Delhi.
Yeah.
Delhi has not been doing such kind of an event, so, but regional we have a series of events such planned over.
Yeah, yeah, we have regional in different regions. So I don't remember. Goa,
Chennai.
Recently, it has happened at a couple of places. Goa, etc. I don't remember the places, but so some 3, 4 in a year are planned. North, East, West, kind of. The attempt is to do that. And there's one annual event. So this annual event is planned in Dehradun in October.
And then we are planning one in Delhi.
North regional event is being organized in February in Delhi.
So what I look forward over here is that first, come and join us. Second, give us feedback on how we can make it more interesting. See, the kind of list of celebrations is what has been already being done. So we have panel sessions, we invite speakers, we invite people over there. But if you have something more, something which can allow for a better celebration of academics with women, related with women, and obviously making it a better charming thing over here. So any kind of such feedback, just come up with it and we'll try to integrate. Wholehearted supported, cooperation from your side is supported basically.
Yeah, those anybody who feels passionate about the idea and wants to contribute can contact us. We are still making a team.
Yeah, we are still making a team. So we actually want lots of participation. So any kind of contribution that you think, maybe it could be a simple idea, you might feel कि it's a simple idea, ये तो सोच लिया होगा, not that kind of thing. Any small simple idea, you can always mail us, you can show your volunteerism over here that you want to participate, any such kind of thing is welcome. So I just hope we come up with more people over here.
Yeah.
So that is what I wanted to introduce about ACM. Anything, although I myself am still into this thing, not too much of into it, but any kind of thing if I can help over. But otherwise, all the details are there on ACMW site. You can explore that.
Yeah, for the ACMW India, you will have to go to ACM India site. From ACM India, you can go to ACMW India.
There's a tab over there.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll take leave now, and do I need to do this also on recording?